I'm Sheila Merle with Solais Lighting Group. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite fixtures. It's our easy to install, easy to use wall wash fixture. It simply snaps into a standard track system just like a typical track head would. You can order it in a variety of track adapter types to work with your existing systems. It comes with an asymmetric light distribution for even top to bottom illumination using a 120 degree by 100 degree beam spread so that you can fully illuminate an entire wall space as shown in this example here. It also has an LED concealing reflector so that you or your customers don't experience any glare from the LED diodes themselves. It comes in a variety of color temperatures, color rendering options, as well as different paint options to meet your specific needs. We have them in 1 foot and 2 foot versions, ranging from 1,000 lumens up to 3,000 lumens, all fully dimmable. You can also order it in a center mount adapter option for increased aimability. Please reach out to us and visit our website at solais.com. Thanks for listening and have a great day.